Right now, a drop in data from the National Weather Service is impacting your forecasts. Staffing shortages are to blame for a sudden end to weather balloon launches in our area, and that means forecasters and meteorologists are missing key pieces of information they need. Channel 8 Mackenzie Johnson joins us live here in the studio to explain. Mackenzie?
Yeah, this is the data that the NWS weather balloons gather from the atmosphere when they're sent up. It looks like a jumble and it's pretty hard to understand, but every day meteorologists use this information in their models to create an accurate and easy to understand forecast. But now they say that's all in jeopardy.
There is no other data. There's really no replacement for it.
Every National Weather Service location used to send up weather balloons twice a day. They would gather data in the atmosphere like temperature, humidity, pressure, and winds. It's data that's difficult to get through any other method. And meteorologists, like our own Rusty Dawkins, then use that information in their weather models.
If you're missing data to initialize these forecasts, well, then the forecasts are going to suffer.
Meteorologists are losing this information in our area after the National Weather Service announced they are ending their weather balloon launches in some locations, including Omaha. They're also cutting down on launches at North Platte. Take a look at this map. It shows the launch sites from last week before the cuts. Now, there's a massive gap in data centered over Nebraska.
Yeah, sure, it's going to impact Nebraska, but it's going to impact a lot of people. It's going to impact Iowa. It's going to impact Minnesota. I mean, it could even impact the East Coast. And so I make that point because the weather is very connected. If we have inaccuracies in one part of the country because of missing data, it could affect large parts of the country.
The NWS will send up balloons when there's severe weather, like the tornadoes from last year or the blizzard last week, which you can see in these videos from our Now Local News app. But Adam Houston says these major storms aren't his main concern.
The issue is, are we going to lose data for events that are a bit more challenging, that we really do need those data to fill in some of the gaps?
Houston tells me he hopes there will be research done to show the impact this will have on forecasts, but he fears the loss of data could be irreplaceable. Rod, Sophia.